Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have access and a backup. ActDB, start now. Open the database, right-click Queries, choose Design, then switch to SQL View and paste a basic select. Use this first step to confirm table names and fields. Access auto-validates some syntax. Once done, run the query briefly to see results. Make sure to correct any field name mismatches immediately, because Access won't always warn you about ambiguous joins or missing aliases. You now expand the SQL. Start with Select, and from then add where filters so results stay manageable. Use Join to combine tables, qualify fields like customers, Customer ID to avoid ambiguity. Once a join works, add Group By and aggregates. Access requires every non-aggregated field in Group By. Move slowly. Add one clause, run the query, inspect results, and fix types or nulls. If you need parameters, use prompt names. Access will prompt when you run the query. You're finishing. Save the SQL query with a descriptive name and test on a copy of data. If you need persistent results, switch the query to make table or append, remember backups. Optimize with indexes on join keys for performance. If Access throws errors, check for mismatched field types, missing table aliases, or reserved words like date. Rename fields or wrap names in square brackets. One troubleshooting tip: if results are empty, run each join as an inner or left separately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.